Imagine an engine with rotating parts. As these parts spin, they create waves within the oil reservoir. These waves splash oil onto the moving components, coating them with a protective layer. One of the benefits of splash lubrication is its simplicity. With no need for complex systems or pumps, it's a cost-effective solution for many applications. Additionally, splash lubrication provides continuous lubrication to the engine components. However, it's essential to note that there are limitations to splash lubrication. It may not be suitable for high-speed or heavy-duty applications, where a pressurized system might be required. Despite that, splash lubrication has been successfully used in various engines, including small engines, motorcycles, and even some automotive applications.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.